It's Thursday night and I'm just sitting here in bed. I just put Ann down. I'm sitting here editing a video. I'm finally getting around to my home improvement video that I've been talking about for months. But yeah, I'm just sitting here thinking about all of the things that I have to do this weekend. So I'm gonna work a little bit longer on this video and then I'm gonna go to bed too and take advantage of this kind of early night, because normally I'm up pretty late. I'm kind of excited that I'm able to go to bed early, but at the same time, Anthony is out fighting crime and I'm probably not gonna be able to sleep until I know he's home and safe. It's like the life of being a cop's wife, because the work that he does, they don't wear uniforms, you know what I mean? They do a lot of work with informants, so it's kind of scary. But my husband's really good at his job. He's really good at what he does. He understands the streets. He's from the hood, we both are. So he has more of an advantage than like his colleagues who are like, you know, from the burbs and stuff, you know what I'm saying? Besides his partners, they would do anything to keep him safe and protect him, and he does the same for them. They actually are friends in real life, and I feel like that's kind of how it is sometimes with cops. They become like family. Especially with the type of work that he does. But as a wife, I worry, you know, as a girlfriend, I worried, you know, but he does pretty good. Anyway, good morning, you guys. I'm feeling real energetic. I just had my smoothie and I'm about to work out for the first time in a long time. So I am feeling energized. I'm making Ann some breakfast. She's gonna have some potatoes and some cinnamon waffles and strawberries. We can't get away from the strawberries. I tried to make Anthony a smoothie before he left. He just left to go work out, you guys. He is training for a new position and I'm so proud of him, and it's so exciting to see him so excited about it. And he has really been making strides at the gig, you guys. He is really just doing really well. So I'm so proud of him. So anyway, he went off to go running. You guys, it's about 8 o'clock in the morning. I tried to talk him into getting a smoothie before he left, but he refused and ran out the door without it. And I'm like, how are you gonna work out without any fuel? You're running on E. He has his lemon water and he thinks he's good to go. So hopefully he'll be able to get a good workout in, but I can't work out on an empty stomach. I have to have not only coffee, but at least something of substance to fuel me. So I got my treadmill set up downstairs. It's been there since we moved in. I haven't touched it. So I'm getting ready to pop that baby open and hop on it and see what we can do. I'm just in the mood for running today. I don't know why. I really don't want to do anything else, just run. All right, I got Ann in her room watching her cartoons for a few minutes. I'm coming down into the dungeon. Just a light warm up, just to get back in the groove, you guys. 1.5 miles in 13 minutes and 49 seconds. Running at a pace of 6.5 miles per hour. Woo! Oh man, I'm about to go upstairs and get something to drink and check on Ann. But, you guys, that was something else I haven't ran in a couple months. Now, here's why I'm doing this. My husband is inspiring me to get back to it. For his test, in order to pass, he has to run 1.5 miles in 14 minutes and 30 seconds. I want to encourage him that he can do it, but I can't do that until I demonstrate that it can be done. And by me being a woman, you know, standing at 5'4", 125 pounds, I was able to blow the male expectation out of the water. So I took a picture of that and I'm gonna send it to him as he's out with his trainer today, and I'm gonna say, Anthony, I can't tell you to do it unless I can do it. And knowing my husband, he's very competitive. If I show him that time, he's going to blow it out. So that's kind of how we do things around here. It took exactly 1 day for every leaf on this tree to hit the ground. Just 1 day. Hey guys. So me and Anthony are headed out, you guys. We're about to go work out outside. It's freezing, but it's not that bad. Today's also Veterans Day. So happy Veterans Day, baby. I went out last night. Oh gosh. I went out last night to the Miel launch dinner. They launched some new products last night, and I was invited out to a private dinner. It was really, really nice. I wanted to vlog so bad. Like, the intentions were there, but I was simply running behind, and I just feel like I was doing too much. So me and Anthony are on our way to Walmart real quick so we can grab some quick supplies for this run. I'm cracking up. Facts. Look at this buggy. We were supposed to come in here and just grab a couple of things for dinner, and damn, they went on a shopping spree. Oh, look at the ugly Christmas sweaters. Is that a llama? That's fun. Put your drink in my pouch. Oh my God. I came in here the other day and bought a Chicago Bulls t-shirt that is really kind of cute. All right, you guys, we are finally out here. This is actually Michi's old high school. They have a lovely track. Are you ready, hon? Trying to act all hardcore? You gotta get your head in the game. You gotta put your head in the game, coach. I had to put on my hat, you guys, because I can't run outside without a hat. Because if my ears get cold, it's over with. I gotta stop because I can't handle it. I happen to have these in my purse, but I would normally just wear some leather gloves while running, but we're gonna make it work. Come on.
It's the warm up, baby.
I had to put my coat on. I'm freezing. I'm over it. My ears are hurting because they got cold despite me wearing this hat. So I went ahead and put my coat on with the hood up, okay? And you guys, I am so sore from my run yesterday. Extremely sore. So I was really just coming out here to kind of just stretch the muscles. You know, I wasn't trying to really do too much. So I'm in pain. I'm struggling, but glad I came out here. Anthony did well with his workout. I think he's gonna crush his physical exam. Just so happy for him and proud of him. I think he's gonna do well. He's got the best attitude about it, and that's really probably 80% of the actual test is attitude, believing you can, and then the physical part will all fall into place. Back home, I just wanted to show you guys what I got last night from the Miel event. It was a launch event like I mentioned, and so the products being launched was this rosemary mint collection. Came with a shampoo. This is the styling cream. This was one of the really cool products here. This is the scalp and hair strengthening oil. Can't wait to try this. The edge gel. Can't wait to try it. I'm just mad it's 2 ounces and not like 42 ounces because I just go through this stuff, you guys. It's my favorite edge gel. And then also there is this hair mask. I'm about to use the shampoo and hair mask right now as I take my shower. We're just now getting home. House is kind of a mess. My mom and dad are actually coming over. Ann was with my mom for the weekend, so my mom's gonna be bringing her back in time for dinner. And my dad is coming over because he's bringing us a piece of furniture. One of his customers was getting rid of this chaise, and I think it'll work in our bathroom. So I'm really excited about it because from the picture, it looks really cool. I'm trying to make our bathroom be like a spa-like experience. I'm just trying to see what's good. So my dad's gonna bring it over here. I'm trying to hurry up and get dinner prepared before they get here. I'm hopping in the shower right now. Oh my gosh, you guys, I feel so good. I just got out of the shower after a good workout. Taking a nice hot shower is like the best feeling ever. I'm actually gonna put this on my face right quick. This Lotus Youth Preserve face cream. You guys, this is so good. I got it as a sample from Sephora a couple weeks ago, and I am in love. So I have the hair mask in my hair right now. This is the Rosemary Mint strengthening hair mask infused with biotin and encourages growth. So this is what's in my hair right now. And so far so good, you guys. It's just kind of in there. Hair is soaking wet, right? So I'm just gonna use a butterfly clip just to hold the towel in place. Probably just gonna leave it on my head like this for maybe 15 or 20 minutes, rinse it out, and then I'm just gonna probably flat twist or something like that. And I have the oven downstairs preheating while I was taking my shower, so now I'm just gonna head down there and start cooking. You guys, this is the finished plate. I pretty much put my sweet potato mixture down first, and then right on top of that I put some of those kale leaves, some of that wild rice mix, my cauliflower and Brussels sprouts that have like the panko breadcrumbs kind of toasted on top with the toasted almonds, and then that spicy avocado mixture. I just wanted to make him a dinner that was warm and cozy and comforting so that he wouldn't be tempted to eat something with a bunch of animal fat in it. Oh, and I just topped it with those radishes that I sliced up. So let's see how this tastes, you guys. I'm really excited about it. It's kind of like that sweet and savory, really comforting. Anthony's downstairs on the treadmill, as you can tell by the music that's playing. He can't work out unless he's listening to like some old Chicago drill music. So that's what you guys hear in the basement. But anyway, I'm about to eat. I went back for seconds. Anthony over here cleaning up. Did you like it?
Great. Real good.
It was spicy. The green sauce. Building this. Finally. Ann has like a little runny nose. And my mom was telling me that when Ann was with her this weekend, I sent her along with the nose Frida. She said she couldn't do it. She was gagging. I'm like, Mom, what? She said she could not do it because it made her gag. My mom has the weakest stomach on the planet. Dad's here with the Chase. Goodness, that thing is big. Ooh, it's cold.
You might have to stand it up.
Yeah, that's what I do. Just put it in.
You walk it up. Yeah, there you go, walk it up.
This is what the Chase looks like in here.
Yeah.
It's huge, but so is the space, so. I'm still trying to see. I just put the pillow, that's the pillow for our bedding. I put it there just to see how it would look, but I'm gonna switch up the pillows and I'm gonna probably put a mirror right here. Storage, I need some more storage. So we're not done in here. Maybe it could work.
Yo, one glass of Patron to smash in its own, and I dash right back to the pad where I zone. Got a stash collection, double packs that I own. When I break them out, sneakerheads.